Hey, shalom family. Welcome to the channel, guys. Look, I'm just doing this little quick intro because today is going to be a good day, right? We're going to do something special, right? We're going to, excuse me? Why are you looking at me? Yeah, but anyway, we're going to surprise the children today. So you want to stay tuned. It's morning time. It's about, 7 a.m. right now here in Mauritius time. And right now, as you see, guys, we are feeding the birds. You know, we have pet birds. We have all kinds of pet birds, all types of pet birds. We have the big birds, the small birds. We have the red birds, the yellow birds. We have the pigeons that come. So right now, that's what we're doing. We're just spreading some bread around, you know, bread of life, bread, so they can eat, as you guys see here. And yeah, just stay tuned to the end. You guys are going to see what we have in store for the day. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you like the video, you know, leave your comments below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all the support, and we'll talk to you later. Shalom. Y'all good? Y'all ready? Let me see your surprise look. No smile? Nothing? What about you? There you go. That little smile. What about you? Yes. What about you? Looking all tight. Looking good. Yes. Huh? What about you, Zach? Everybody's sleepy, but yes, we are here, guys. Look at this. Look at this beautiful view. Like this looks like from a movie or something. Like it really does. Now, look at all this. Stay tuned. Shalom, family. Look, we came to see the giraffes, but it seems like they have the day off. Okay, are you sad about the giraffe having the day off? Yeah, so the giraffes has the day off. We was gonna walk up the stairs and go see the giraffes up there, but they have the day off, so we're about to go on the bus to go see some more animals that's just roaming around. So stay tuned.
La ripeto sempre.
Go ahead, look at him. So, hey, you gonna want this in the future? Like, dang, I remember when we went there. That was nice. It was so nice. You want a picture with him? It's like a video and a picture. It's not a video, but you can take pictures with it. There you go. Look at this.
Sit yourself down.
Look.
Don't do that. It's not funny.
We just ate some good burgers. It was good. It was cool. Man, y'all see? You see, man, he's same size as me. Where you going? Say what's up. You having a good time? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we just got done eating. Now we about to go see some more animals. Hopefully we can go see the lions and I believe the roller coaster. So stay tuned for that.